Well, if you're planning to travel to the UK anytime soon, you may have to reschedule your plans as the new strain of coronavirus discovered in the United Kingdom last week is found to be at least 70% more transmissible than the existing variations. Well, you heard it right, the United Kingdom, where the new strain has been discovered, has gone back into strictest possible lockdown measures. Here is what we know about the virus so far. Earlier this week, the UK government alerted WHO to the discovery of a new strain of coronavirus called B117. This particular strain is important because it has seen an abnormally large number of mutations in the UK, and the variant is accelerating the spread of COVID-19 disease. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has in fact said that the new strain of virus is up to 70% more contagious than its predecessors. Experts believe that this new strain will quickly replace other versions, which will enable the virus to multiply at a much greater speed. Britain's Health Secretary has warned that the new strain has become out of control. I quote, out of control. The new cases of the variant have already been detected outside of England. So according to WHO, there are cases, almost 9 of them are in Denmark, 1 in Netherlands, 1 in Italy, and 1 in Australia. So the virus has in fact spread outside also. What steps have been taken so far? Well, 31% of England's population, about 21 million people, have already entered into strictest possible lockdown measures since 19th of December. Non-essential services have been shut down in England for 2 weeks. Various countries like France, Germany, Belgium and others have banned travel to and from the UK. India has also decided to suspend flights originating from the UK with effect from tomorrow, which is 22nd of December till 31st of December 2020. So anyone arriving on transit flights via the UK before 22nd December will have to do a mandatory RT-PCR test at Indian airports. But here's why you should not panic. There is no evidence to suggest that this new strain is more lethal or can cause severe illness, or that the vaccine will be less effective against it. In fact, experts from EU believe that vaccines made against coronavirus are going to be equally effective against the new strain as well. The variant is still under investigation and there are not many details on it, and therefore we've got little to no cause to worry at the moment. Remember, the new strain is not more lethal or dangerous. It may be more contagious, but it's not more lethal than the existing strains of coronavirus.